Ah, wait lang, yan.
This is a stupid guy.
J?
Sayo. It's a stupid guy.
How about me? I'm gonna do it.
My turn again.
Hey. Oh, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Your turn, Mickey.
It's my turn, Mickey.
It's hot, baby! My collarbone!
Wait, don't stop the video. I'll show Choi what the trick is. I'll show Choi. Choi, you wanna see what trick? Say hi to YouTube. Say hi.
Fuck you all!
Hold the camera. Choi, you wanna know the secret of my beautiful success?
Choi, you're another victim again.
Very stupid guy.
A very stupid guy.
No, there's no hack. Just take a look. What song do you like? Smooth Criminal?
No, I'm
Yeah, Super Mario Brothers.
No, I want some Linkin Park.
No, there's no Linkin Park now. It's a Super Mario team. I just pick another thing.
Smooth Criminal.
Oh, yeah, Smooth Criminal. You want a smooth?
Hit the secret button.
Oh, it's a secret button. It's a very idiot guy. He.
No deal na.
Yeah!
He's a very stupid guy. He's a follower of Manalo.
Look at this reaction.
He's a very automated guy.
He's the emo. He's gonna slash his wrist. I'm gonna be emo right now.
Choi, let us see your chest.
Ano yan, ha?
Let us see your chest.
Oh
no!
The real thing.
Oh,
Very hard. It's very stupid guy. It's very hard.
Oh, but when you hit F5?
And you hit F5.
It's
It's a play mode. Choi is breaking finally again. Choi is 7:30 o'clock now. I'm gonna go home.
Choi,
Wait.
just say hi to YouTube.
Ay. Ano kay Ong yan, putang ina. Nakakawalan ako ni Ong.
Oh, you see that chat? It's the best stupid guy, Leo too. Show the chat. Oh, and my friends in IT wanna just say hi. There's Kyle, Daryl, Jerome, everybody else.
Sakit. Sakit nung kay Mickey, collarbone.
Bye-bye.
Pero last day, solid eh.
I wanna say hi to all my fans and we have a motto. Di bali lang tamad. Di naman pagod.
And another motto. Okay lang ang payat. Basta makaapat na rice. Na rice is makaapat na rice.
Makaapat na rice.
At he's gonna play the auto mode. He's very envy.
Ay, stop it.